Hey y'all, I'm coming to you today with my hair slicked down, baby hairs did, because I purchased, these are so cute. So I purchased these word pens and I have a bunch of them, and my goal is to record a bunch of different hairstyles using this pen. I wanted to do this one today because it's date night and I just got them in the mail and I'm super excited to wear them. And I did like this sleek back pony. I do have a video on how to achieve this look since I did not show you, so be sure to check that out here. It's just a regular sleek back pony, and so I'm going to be adding these accessories to them as my first style using these pens. So they say a bunch of different things on them, and so I'm going to use Baby Love on one side and then Happy Queen on the other. And I'm so excited for these because it's just like the perfect accessory for like a simple hairstyle, or even if you had like a dramatic hairstyle. When I was looking for inspiration, I didn't see many people wearing them in like creative hairstyles. It was just like the basic hair down, hair up, and I'm gonna do both of those just because I want to see how it looks. But let's go ahead and slide this in here. The only thing about pins like this is that they're so tight, and so it can be hard to get them in there. So we got Happy. Hey, these are cute. I'm excited. Happy Queen. The other side is gonna say Baby Love. I wouldn't want the pen to show in front. These are so cute. I'm not doing these all the time. And then Love. Okay, this is one of many I'm gonna put in the jacket I'm gonna be wearing. And I thought this jacket would go cute with a little highlight, but let me know what y'all think of this one, and I'm gonna be showing you many more. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing another hairstyle using the pins. So you saw the one earlier and I did that for like a date night, but now I'm going to switch it up. I really want to show you about, so my goal was to find at least 4 hairstyles that I could do using those. And so this one that I'm about to show you right now is going to be super cute if, for example, based off of the hairstyle I showed you yesterday, you want to add some pizzazz to your hairstyle. So for me, when I take my hair out of a bun, I usually like to fluff it. Or in this case, since we have these cute pins, this will be like a cute slick down hairstyle. So this one yesterday I used different words, and today I'm going to use different words. So I think I'm going to use hope and dream together, and I think I'm only going to do one on both sides. Yesterday when I showed you the other one, I had 2 on each side, and I think I'm going to just do 1 on each side. So these are super cute. I think I already said this, and if I say super cute one more time, please. So the thing that I realized with these is that they go the same way. Instead of dream reading this way, so when you slip it in, it says dream, they all read the same way. And then I need to put a regular bobby pin underneath this because, like I was saying, since it goes that way, it's hard to see. So this is cute because it's like an old school style. So my hair is flat like this, and then it poofs at the end. And here you have style number 2. That was style number 2. Now I'm going to show you style number 3. So I'm loving these clips, and I can see, or these like bobby pins, I can see me using them often. And so the next style, I thought it would be cute to do. I wanted to do like a wrap style, but I think I'm going to just do a jumbo twist around the head. And so I have a crown video showing you how to do this, but this one is just going to be me loosely wrapping my hair around some agua. So I'm gonna take this and wrap it around. If my hair was like straight or blow dried, I think the other style I was thinking of would work. But since it is not, then it won't necessarily. So to finish this off, I gotta bobby pin this. Okay, so this is supposed to be like a twist crown. Now that we got that in place, I'm just gonna use the other two that I haven't used yet. So Miss Sweet. And I think this hairstyle will look cute with maybe 2 on each side or all on one side. Let's do all on one side. So I think if we did them all on the not so thick side. So this will look different for everyone depending on what they want, but this is super cute. So we got Sweet Dream Miss Hope. So the key with this is to do like a crown-ish twist or braid. Alright, so the next one is going to be a mohawk. So you split your hair into 3 sections. I actually have a mohawk showing you how to do a mohawk on my channel. It's an older video, but I still do it the exact same way basically. Put the top of my hair into a pony. And then take the back part of your hair. Now that that's in a bun, take the middle section and then pin this away and do the same thing to the middle section. So my parts are by no means clean. Need to find another bobby pin, pin this, and then fix this in the front. So in the same case, you'll need to touch up the sides. Okay, now you put the pins on the side here. You can do 1 on each side. Remember, if you do this side, you gotta bring it to the front. You can stop there or you can continue to put 1 on each and then rock it that way. I think I would continue and put 1 on each. Obviously, this would be cleaner looking how you want it to look. Okay. Super cute, super Afro punkish. I haven't worn a mohawk in a minute. I would add some bangs. The last one I'm gonna show you, this is probably the most I've manipulated my hair in a minute. So the last hairstyle I'm gonna show you is a classic bun and bang. So I show you a bun and a faux bang style, and I can be sure to tag that, put that video right here as well so you can see what that looks like and what I mean. But for this one, I'm gonna do a real bang. So this bang is going to be, I'm just gonna do a cute side bang like this, and then the rest of this is just gonna go into a top knot bun. So for my top knots, I like to just put this in a bun and then, or a pony. Like this, and then twist this. Hair, it's time for washing, and then I want it to be like a knot. So now that it's like a knot, we're gonna doctor this bang a little bit. And we're gonna clean up the side hairs a little bit. And the reason why I wasn't really doing this with the other hairstyles is because like there are multiple hairstyles. And if you need to fix this, I was showing you multiple hairstyles and I didn't want the way I was gelling them to become permanent. So this is that, and then you're just gonna take the same clips and you can put them here, one there, and then you can put the other one in the back of your hair. And there you have it. Okay, baby girl. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's been a while since I've been able to do some natural hairstyles that I find that are super cute with a little accessory, and that's exactly what this video was all about. So if you haven't seen the video here where I'm showing you my August favorites, be sure to check it out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and be sure to leave a comment down below on which hairstyle was your favorite, and let me know if you are going to consider purchasing these clips or these pins. That's all for this video, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles.